Hi friends, in this tutorial, I will show you how to convert octal number to decimal. You already know, a number is represented in octal using digits 0 to 7, while decimal can be represented using digits 0 to 9. So here, you can see the question, I will convert the octal number to decimal. Here you know, the base of octal is 8. Kindly write down the number 2136.1100. So, here in integral part of the number, which is just before the point. Multiply 6 by 8 to the power of 0, multiply 3 by 8 to the power of 1, multiply 1 by 8 to the power of 2, multiply 2 by 8 to the power of 3, and, in fractional part of the number, which is just after the point. Multiply 1 by 8 to the power of minus 1, multiply 1 by 8 to the power of minus 2, multiply 0 by 8 to the power of minus 3, multiply 0 by 8 to the power of minus 4. After multiplying, let's add the number. So, 1118.1406 will be our final decimal number. I hope that you have understood this concept. Please share this video and subscribe. If you want to know how to convert the octal to hexadecimal, then please watch the next video.